Hi, it's Urbanda Zapata. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to make this lamp and this bath mat on a budget. So I was looking for a lamp online and I saw this picture and I kind of like it, but I felt that something was missing. And when I saw the price, yeah, you know that that's not gonna happen. So since this is a simple basket, I remember that the dollar store had a lot of baskets and I went to the dollar store. If you haven't seen my last haul from the dollar store, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Go check it out. Okay, so these are the baskets that I bought at the dollar store. I am cutting the bottom part of two of the baskets. After cutting them, I am going to glue them together using hot glue and a little bit of E6000, but you can skip the E6000 if you will. I am just being a little extra. Now I'm using some twine and sweet wire to sew it together. I am looping around the two baskets following the same pattern. And to cover the seam, I am wrapping the twine around the lamp, making my last puncture to leave it set. Then I did the same process with the third basket. I also picked up from the dollar store a plant hanger and I'm gonna use only 2 chains. We connected 1 chain to the top and 1 chain inside the lamp just because later on I wanted to put a light bulb. We also bought a hook to screw it from the ceiling, and this is the final result. Look how simple and nice it looks. The next project is going to be a bath mat made out of wood. For this, we will need nails of 1 1/4 inch long and 18 gauge. We are going to use 3 ribs at the bottom for support and the measurements are 12 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. And the ones across are 30 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. Make sure to dust the wood before you start doing the project. We are placing the ribs with a separation of 1/4 inch and that spacing in the back is going to be facing the shower. Okay, right now my husband is dusting the end result to get rid of any debris for when he applies the stain. Remember to protect the surface you're working on. We bought stain for the wood to give him some color and it has to be applied in a uniform way, so avoid overlapping unless what you want is a darker finish.
And this is the finished look. If you like this video, let me know in the comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.